How to remove age restrictions on YouTube app. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here as you can see I'm already on my YouTube app. So we just have to change some settings. So if you want to view a video and it says that is age restricted, but you still want to view it, well in this video I will show you how to do it. So I have two methods for you. The first one is going to your YouTube app just like me, and from here you want to go to your profile, which is at the right top corner, and then from here you have to go to settings, and here you have to click on the first option, which is general, and then you have to scroll down, and at the bottom of the page you will see restricted mode. This helps hide potentially major videos. No filter is 100% accurate. The settings only applies to this app on this device, so you want to toggle this off. And then another thing to do is going back from here, go again to your profile picture from the right top corner, and then here you have to click on manage your Google account. So from here you have to go to personal info, and then you have to click on your birthday. So at the bottom of the page you will see birthday, so click on that. And now here you have to change your birthday. So make sure that you're past 18 years old. So if I am born in 1999, then right now I am 22 years old. So once you did that, you just have to click on save, and that's it. Now you can go to your YouTube app, and even if that YouTube video is age restricted, you can now see it. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. If you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.